Hey everybody, it's Dave here from kayakrogue.com, and this weekend I'm going to do something special. I'm going to take you on an adventure. We're going to go kayaking, obviously, and we're going to go geocaching while kayaking. Now, for those of you who don't know, geocaching is a game played by people all over the world using a handheld GPS with preset coordinates found on geocaching.com's website, and at those coordinates treasure boxes filled with goodies. It's a fun game. I've been playing it for a couple of years. I've found some. I've not found many more. But as I discovered on their website, the Southern Gulf Islands, where I live, well, there's dozens of hidden caches only accessible by boat. So, what better way to spend a sunny Saturday than to go kayaking to Wallace Island, which is adjacent to Salt Spring, where I live. And apparently, there's nearly half a dozen treasure boxes on Wallace Island. So we'll go hunt. Grab your paddle, grab your GPS, and tweak your eyeballs, because they're not always easy to find. So a beautiful sunny Saturday morning, and we're going to start our geocaching by kayak adventure. I just left Hudson's Point, and you'll see the GPS coordinates for that. A little tip is it runs pretty much north-south from the Hudson's Point put in to the eastern tip of Wallace Island. So it's pretty easy to find if you have a deck compass. Just get to the right spot, either head south or head north like I'm doing right now. And there's a couple of kayakers over there already. Let's just hope they are not geocachers. But then even worse, they could be muggles. Muggles is a term for those not in the geocaching circle. So a little Harry Potter theft, I guess, there. So, you know, you're looking for a geocache and there's people hanging around. They're asking you questions. They're giving you the hairy eyeball. Why are you trespassing? Etc., etc. It's usually because they're muggles and they don't know no better. So, here we are, in the middle of Trincomalee Channel, Salt Spring at my back, Wallace at my front, and maybe you'll find a treasure box today. Okay, so we've made it across Trincomalee Channel in about 15 minutes. That's about average, and it's a calm day, and tide really isn't too much of an issue. And along this shore of Wallace, it's very featured. There's lots of eroded sandstone, honeycombs, and rockfall, arbutus trees, eagles. But on the backside, if we have time, I'll take you around the boring backside, and that's usually where the wildlife is, though the shoreline isn't as featured and interesting. So, take a look. Hey, how you doing? Morning. Morning. Oh, there's a crab going by underneath me. The water is so clear at this time of year, early May, April and May. And where I'm paddling right now is a little rock shelf, and it's quite shallow, so I'm seeing a lot of life. Starfish, batfish, crab going for a walk, little schools of mini fish. And we're almost out of the razor-sharp rocks, the spine of sandstone that runs adjacent to Wallace Island at the last bit before Trivers Point. It's kind of fun. You gotta watch your depth. It is getting a little shallow. Will I make it? Oh, little steelheads. Yeah. I don't know. Hopefully I'll make it through the little gap there. We'll see. Okay, we're at Trivers Point. I'm just turning into this beautiful little bay. Nice slot. And there is camping available year-round, so it's pretty nice. Gets the sun on the bluff. And there's a pair of Canada geese ahead of me. And this is nesting time, so you got to be wary of that as well. No need to disturb them. Anyway, let's land this puppy and go treasure hunting. Look out, geese. Oh. Like I said, let's not stress the wildlife too much, huh? Oops. Okay, down there is the kayak and the little bay we paddled into. You just climb up this little rocky bluff, and it's just out through those trees. So says GPS. Nice thing about geocaching by kayak is that you can get out of the kayak and stretch your legs. That's a good excuse. Can you see this? It says it's over there. I don't know. I've been looking around for about 10 minutes. And it just tells me how fast I'm not finding it. Oh well. Lots of fun. So according to the GPS, we're very close. 24 meters away. And that's about 300 meters away from the kayak. Whew. Beautiful little trail though. This leads through the woods, adjacent to the main trail in Wallace that, if you hike it, will take you end to end, which is very nice. We'll do that one day too for a blog post. But for now, I'm 23 meters away. That way. So, let's go. Well, here we are, going through the woods. Whoa. GPS should give me a little happy sound any minute, but we're very close. 10 meters. Oh, I have a feeling it's over there. No? It says it's over here. No? It says it's over here. Well, I guess we'll put the old camera down and see what happens. Now it's sort of indicating around here. It could be anywhere. I'll do a little looking and I'll fill you in if I find anything. So you guys, after a little bit of walking around with the GPS unit, it was right where I stopped with the camera, put my gear down, and take a better look at the GPS. Wandered around all this little hillside here, and these little rock crevices, couldn't find a thing. But look what I found right here. Geocaching site left by Geeks94, and he's left his email address in case there's a problem. You can contact him. That's kind of the game plan with geocaching.com. Pencil sharpener, and there was a note left for anybody who found it to leave the pencil sharpener behind to sticker from the Nanaimo RCMP, Canada keychain, some matches, a little notebook, and the pencil for sharpening. So what I'll do is I'll open this up, leave a little note that I found it. It's customary to leave a treasure in the box if you take a treasure, but I forgot to bring something, so it's find the treasure, left nothing, and no harm foul. Alright, so I'll just go through this, write my little note, have a little lunch, get back in the kayak, and head home for the day. So all in all, a nice way to spend the day. Oh, and I must press the button that says I found it. Cheers. Hey guys, so that was it. That was geocaching by Kayak. Pretty fun, huh? And it's a great way to spend a weekend on Wallace Island, just off Saltspring. There's two good launch spots. I left from a place called Hudson's Point, and it's just past the Fernwood Dock. Or you can go up to the north end of the island and launch at the end of Arbutus Road. And it's a great paddle. It's pretty, there's lots of wildlife, calm waters, awesome shoreline. And when you get here, there's a place to camp, and a hiking trail that runs the length of the island, so there's a good 3-hour hike there. And bring your GPS, because along that trail, lots of treasures. Alright, till next time, cheers.